Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Alta Park Central, in Dallas, Texas, and we're gonna do the best tour ever of the Alta Park Central. This is a new, very cool mid-rise apartment, and it's in this Park Central area, part of Dallas. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do about 10 or 12 videos. We're gonna see all the amenities, two models, and then we're going to walk around a little bit and talk a little bit about the area. This will be the best tour possible that you've ever seen from an experienced person that's really going to help you find your perfect apartment here in Dallas. And hey, that's me. So I can't wait to help you. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing here on these videos, send me a text. Just use the number below, and we'll go from there, and I'll say hi, and we'll set up tours, do whatever you need, or just answer questions for you. Okay, now let's go to the next video, and we're just going to talk a little bit about this area and why you might want to live in this area that has this beautiful apartment. Let's do that right now.